The coins I'm buying in November. This November is gonna be an amazing November that you are gonna experience. I know November is not yet to come, or it's not yet a year, but November is next week, or this coming week, or this week, beginning from tomorrow. Well, let's say not tomorrow, because right now we are still 29. Let's say in 2 or 3 days time, we're gonna be in November. So we're gonna start making plans on what we should be buying, or what I should be buying, this month. Because guys, I don't trade so much coin. I make sure I look at coins where they are and where I want them to be before I trade them. And this November, I have a couple of coins that I want to share with you guys, today. So you are welcome here again once more. This is your guy, the Baton, always bring you guys amazing stuff going on in the crypto space. My goal for you guys is to be able to make money in this brutal crypto industry and to avoid most of the scams out there, or avoid doing most of the things that will, put you into negative or make your portfolio go negative. So if you say this is your first time here, you want to go right now and smash the subscribe button. It's free. It won't cost you anything. When you do, it's going to help this channel reach out to more people out there. But guys, let's just take a step back and look at the past. Look at what has happened in the past. Look at what we have been through, all the ups and downs. You guys are still here, so kudos to you all. You are still here. You are going nowhere. You have decided that crypto is where you don't make that massive reward, that massive gains to change your life. So where we are right now, this is where we're supposed to be. And this is the right time for us to start building that portfolio in a way that anyone who is serious is going to be able to make money long term. So let's dive right into this.
Love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up! It's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better. Love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up! It's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working.
So guys, this is the chart of Bitcoin. This is the Big Daddy. And this is what the Big Daddy is doing. The Big Daddy is giving us signal. It's telling us that something big is coming, or something big is going to happen in the market. We can see that Bitcoin has been holding in this zone here. And guys, the reason why I'm showing you this today, right now, is going to correlate with the coins that I'm going to share with you guys today, because we're going to see where these coins are, where they have formed, and where we can expect them to go, and where we can see some sort of retracement back. Because you can see, I still expect Bitcoin, because if I draw this, if I take again this Fibonacci retracement tool, it's going to tell me that Bitcoin is going to retrace right from where it is. If we don't see Bitcoin make higher highs, then on the 4 hours time frame, this is 4 hours time frame, which is almost the same like the daily time frame, we're gonna see Bitcoin retrace to the I think to around 29,000, or 30,000. That's where we should expect Bitcoin to go. Let's say a quick drop, we might expect Bitcoin to get to around 32,000 or 31,000. Let's say we're in between 30,000. So Bitcoin get to that zone, then we want to start stacking Bitcoin. As of now, I think we're gonna play a game where we're gonna look at most of these altcoins right now, and these altcoins are gonna tell us, or gonna give us a signal on when to go about buying this. So right now, let's just look at the first. The first on my list is gonna be CSPRO, Casper. The reason why I mention Casper is because Casper has been, down for a long, like it has been down. Let's go to Casper so I can show you guys properly what I mean to say here. So this is Casper. You can see here, Casper. With Casper we have seen some retracement. We saw this pump here, and if say I pull the Feb tool here, let me put the Feb tool here. So from the bottom to the top, let's see if say we have seen this retracement here. Okay, guys, you can see it's almost at that zone, around this golden pocket zone, this area here. So I will say that Casper is a coin that you want to look at this November, because if Bitcoin keep going on, keep going to the upside, we're gonna see Casper do the same thing. Casper is gonna make a move to the upside, and I think Casper they have looking at the fundamentals, Casper is good, no doubt. When you look also at the charts, the charts also tell us that Casper is a good coin to buy long term. But now it's up to you to decide if say you want to have this bad boy in your portfolio. I told you guys that there are some altcoins that I'm going to show you guys when there's time, and Casper is one of those, Casper CSPRO is one of those coins. I'm not going to go here to talk about the fundamentals. I've done a lot of videos about it already. Right now I'm looking at the technicals. I've seen this huge pump, and what I want to see to confirm this November is if say we see higher highs here, and if say we see higher highs here, let me go to the daily time frame to get the juice. You can see here on the daily time frame, the upside, there is high, huge liquidity here, this zone here. You can see price have to fill all these zones, and if say price makes it way, you can see the next possible area that we can see price go to is this area here around 41, 42, let's say around 43.0, yeah. You can see price get to that zone, and how many percentage we are looking at right now if say price get to that zone. Let me just do a quick structure here and see how many percent we might expect this to be like. How many percent is this? This is about 25%. So this month alone, you can make up to 25% from this coin if say Bitcoin keep going towards the direction where it is right now. If you see Bitcoin go right up to 40K, then you can expect Casper to move another 25%, or maybe go towards the $50, towards this area. Yeah, I think if it keeps going, it can get to this level, and if it gets to this level, then we can see it go up right up to about let's say 57%. So look at Casper; it is huge for a for your long-term portfolio. I mean, not like we are in the bull market, but when we look at all this, what is going on in the market right now, the coins that most people are accumulating right now, it's gonna give you an incentive a mindset, that Casper is gonna be among those coins that you want to pay attention to. Guys, there's a lot in the crypto space. There's so much going on, that most people are still yet to decide, or if say they want to get into Bitcoin or not, or if say they want to get into crypto or not, and if say you are among those people who are still they are still struggling to find a way out, then make sure you come out from it as soon as possible. Now let's move to the next on my list here that I have Sweat Coin here that I want to talk about. I know not all of you understand what this coin is, or you understand where it is right now. You can see this is the now Phantom. I want to come to Phantom, because Phantom is one of the coin also. But I mean, now that we are on Phantom, let me just talk about it, because Phantom is one of the coin that you are gonna be looking at, or I'm gonna be looking at this coming November. I can see that Phantom has made higher highs on the should I say on the daily time frame. It has a break structure on the daily time frame, so I'm gonna be looking for some sort of retracement, like the price should make a way to the upside, then come back, retrace this, try to retest this zone. Then the upside for this coin, for Phantom, is amazing. You can make so much gains with this coin. Look at this area here. There's so much liquidity here that price need to cover. And if we see Bitcoin keep going on doing what Bitcoin is doing, then we're gonna see Phantom FTM do just that. So keep an eye on FTM Phantom. This is a good project. Looking at the fundamentals is good. It's just that the SEC came out and mentioned that Phantom is among the coin that are securities. So I think maybe like after that we saw a dip with most of these coins, including Solana, but Solana has been doing well also. So like keep an eye on Phantom this month. You're gonna trade this coin. These are very good picks that can really help grow your portfolio long term. Now let's go to Sweatcoin. Sweatcoin also is a good coin, and looking at the daily time frame, we can see that this bad boy has been in an uptrend like massively. I missed out on this one because there's no reason there. I actually ignored this because you can see it has been up ever since for about about let's say 150%, like 1.5% or 1x ever since the last low, and ever since this bad boy has been in an uptrend. You can see that this coin has been in an uptrend, and they have a huge community, and they have also like good platforms, what they are all about, what they are building. I think they have a space in the crypto market. So keep an eye on this bad boy. If I go to the weekly time frame, I'm gonna see that this coin, despite the fact that is in an uptrend on the daily time frame, on the weekly time frame, it's sitting on a critical level. I mean, resistance that we want to see it break that resistance, and the upside is massive. We can see this coin go up to $1. And where the price is, if say it get to $1, we're talking about 10 of X, for you guys. So keep an eye on this. The next on my list is Bitget. Bitget, I've talked about it like a couple of times here, and I'm still gonna keep talking about it so that you guys can understand, or you're gonna understand that at times it's not just that you wanna buy a coin and you wanna make money, but it's also that you want to make a lot of it. You want to make money, but you want to make a lot of it. And Bitget wise, you can see here that the price is recovering from this dip, as what I showed you with Sweatcoin and other coins out there. You can see here that the zones where I'm expecting this coin to get to is at this golden pocket area here. This area here, this is where I can expect, or I'm expecting price to go to as the second target. This is the first target. So you can keep an eye on big price long term this month. Buying or accumulating it at the right time can get towards this zone, and this is gonna be only if say Bitcoin is doing what Bitcoin always do. Like if Bitcoin keep going to the upside, like we see the price get to about 40,000 per Bitcoin this November or this year or before next year, going towards the halving. I think you kind of keep an eye on this, and the higher time frame, you can see the upside is huge for Bryce. So keep an eye on Bryce. Don't say I didn't tell you so. Of course, there are a lot of coins out there that you can keep an eye on, but this is one of them that I think will really make you massive reward. Guys, the next on my list is Algorand. Argo is one of those coins that on the daily time frame it looks so juicy. Look at the liquidity here also for Algorand. Algorand is one of those the platform or the blockchain is one of those blockchain out there that is that most big institutions want to use the platform to do, to build their applications on it. So I think long term Algorand is gonna be a good pick for you, like this November towards December. Look at Algorand is gonna be one of those massive coins, and we can see here that Algorand have broken structure also Not really, but it's going towards that. And if say we see Algorand makes higher highs, yeah, if we see price on the higher time frame, the price breaks and come and retest, then that's where you want to buy it. And I think we can see this happen, during this moment, because I think what Bitcoin is doing is Bitcoin is preparing for something big. I showed you the chart of Bitcoin. Bitcoin is preparing for something big, and if say Bitcoin is preparing for something big, then other altcoins are gonna do the same. But you need to follow coins that actually go along with Bitcoin, because that's how you make money, alongside Bitcoin, and you are able to outperform Bitcoin. The next on my list is Quant. Quant also is a coin that I've talked about often on my platform, and I saw this I think back then when it was still at this level, $83, Quant, and I think I did a video about this. Those of you who took it serious, I think you should be up massively, but I didn't buy it because I want to see this move first. Then I'm gonna buy it from the retracement. If I would have bought it, I wouldn't have known if say we are back in an uptrend. But I think for Quant, we are back in an uptrend. I'm gonna wait for retracement. To the golden pocket. The way the way price went to the upside, I think is the same way price is gonna come back to the downside. You can see this liquidity here. This area here. I think Quant have to, balance this zone, come back to retest this area. If say it's an uptrend, then price will bounce back at the golden pocket. Price will do like this. If try to break this zone, if price fail, price will come back here, do like this, do like that, and come back to this zone. Or price can just make it way right straight down, right? So keep an eye on Quant as well. The next on my list is Baby Dogecoin. Our baby Dogecoin. Now, guys, if you have been watching my Baby Doge videos, then this is no surprise to you that Baby Dogecoin is one of my top coins out there during the bull market. I have mentioned this a couple of times that Baby Dogecoin is gonna make a lot of us massive profit. You can see this is the target, like this is zone here, the target for me, for Baby Dogecoin. If I see Baby Dogecoin at this zone here, I want to take out profit, right? Because I think that if say Bitcoin keep doing what Bitcoin is doing right now, this bad boy is just preparing to fly like that. And you saw what happened to Quant and other coins out there. Baby Dogecoin is not that coin that it moves a long way with Bitcoin. It's a coin that moves when Bitcoin is calm, or when Bitcoin have done what Bitcoin want to do. Like, let's say if we have seen if the trend for Bitcoin is over, then I think Baby Dogecoin is one of those coins that will start making big moves to the upside. So keep an eye on this bad boy, this baby, our baby. This is our baby. We always love to talk about our baby. And I mentioned to you guys that I wasn't holding any more of this baby. But right now, now that I've seen this move, you can see, let me just do a quick TA here again to show you guys why I think this area is really critical for you to accumulate. You can see, look at this zone here. We just try to break this zone, it failed. It is trying now to break this zone again, and it has failed. So it means that this zone is a strong resistance for Baby Dogecoin. So if say you see price break above this zone and price retrace back there, you want to buy this bad boy. For now, I think if say Bitcoin is moving to the upside, then I'm gonna wait for this bad boy to break, then come back, and I'm gonna place a buy order exactly at that area, because I know price is gonna retrace. Then I want to take out profit at this area here, this zone that I marked here, this area. That's where I'm gonna take out profit. So you can do the same what I'm doing or what I'm planning. You can see, guys, like trading or investment should be easy if say you understand what to do. If you have a plan and price get to your plan, you want to execute it as soon as possible. That's why you see I'm building, like planning ahead of time, so that when price gets to my zone, or when I see confirmation, I want to get in full time, no doubt. or without any fear that price is gonna go against me. So you guys have to take this seriously. Don't just be there thinking everything is like easy. You have to put the hard work there and make sure you are doing just the right thing at the right time. Guys, the next on my list is this bad boy. This bad boy has been doing crazy, to the outside. I've done my analysis already on this. This is Gala. I've already done my analysis with Gala. I'm not concerned with this huge move with Gala here. I'm not concerned because I know that I'm gonna, this is a zone that I've marked. Let me just take this out so I can bring this properly so you guys can see. So I have already marked this zone for this bad boy. I'm not scared, and price is going towards that zone. So when I see price get there and price break above that zone, that's when I'm gonna be bullish on Gala. And this is gonna be possible only when this Bitcoin, I see huge movement with Bitcoin. I'm not gonna rush, even if to confirm more, if I bring my let me go to the weekly time frame or the 5-day time frame so you guys can understand what I'm talking about. Look at this bad boy here. It is still it hasn't yet gotten to where it should be. It's still, there's nothing going on with Gala. Look, guys, if you really want to understand on the market, you have to zoom and look at the long term. Look at the what is going to happen in long term to give you a perspective as to what you might expect in the market. As of now, if I take this bad boy to the upside, let's say this is it. No, I'm not gonna do this right now. Yeah, let me zoom this a little bit. This is the 5-day 5-day time frame. So let's do the weekly time frame so you can see here on the weekly time frame. You can see these zones. Price haven't even gone anywhere. Price is just trying to recover, and when price recover, we're gonna see pullback, and that's where you want to buy, or that's when you want to buy. You buy when pullback is confirmed. So don't rush with Gala. Make sure you are safe. You protect yourself. You don't be caught up with most of what is going on in the market. I think to an extent I've shared with you guys the coins I'm looking at this November. Guys, I'm not gonna buy all these coins. What I'm trying to tell you guys is these coins are coins that I'm going to have in my portfolio, be watching to see, because I have moves, or I have zones that I want price to get to the zones, and if price get to those zones, then I want to place that buy order. All right, so you guys can do the same. You guys can build a plan with this. You can try to see how you can protect yourself, build something sustainable for yourself, make it in a way that you can actually make massive rewards in this industry, in this crypto whole stuff. I want to see you guys succeed. I want to see you guys win. We are all winners, and we're gonna win till the end. So you guys should go and apply and do this. Of course, I'm not a financial advisor. That's why I'm showing you guys what I'm doing, not what I want you guys to do. Of course, if you want to copy what I do, it's up to you, but it's at your own risk. Make sure you do your own research. And if you want to be part of my community, there's a link below this video, my link tree. Go to my link tree and you can join my group on Telegram. You can book an appointment with me, 30 minutes. If you really want to get started with cryptocurrency, you can book a free 30-minute with me, and we can discuss more on how to plug you into the system. And yeah, do just that, and everything's gonna be fine. All right, guys. If you are subscribed, then do subscribe. Bye bye.